Okay guys, so I have to go fairly quick right now. But my dad was baling hay, and the hay was just junk after he got done baling it, and so then he decided to stop baling it. And then when he stopped and parked the baler and the tractor, he seen a kitten in it. And so I was right away thinking, like, how did the kitten survive? Because there's like knives and like stuff that like shreds up the hay and then bales it. And so I'm gonna try and get the kitten out. I'm gonna try and set you guys up. Okay guys, so there's the mom and here's the tractor. And then I'll show you. So this is the baler, and hay goes through here and then it gets all shredded up. And look at, you guys even see that there's like a kitten in there. So I'm gonna try and grab it. It is still alive, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna try and grab it. It's gonna be kind of hard, but I'm gonna try. It only has one eye open. You're okay, Mama? Okay guys, so I got the kitten. I'm not sure hi Mama. I'm not sure what to do with it, but I just wanted to get it away from being in trouble or like in a dangerous spot. So I don't know what it'll do with you. Your eye isn't open. You're cute though. Oh, there we go. Open your eye. You're okay, Mama. Here it is. I'm gonna give it back to Pumpkin right now. See what Pumpkin does with it. It's just laying by my foot and Pumpkin's not doing anything. I'm gonna try and warm it up some milk and then feed it to it. Guys, I got the bebe. Oh, you're okay. You're okay, honey. Garfield's like, what the heck is going on right now? This bebe is kind of going crazy right now.
Alright, so I go to bale hay and I pull the baler out and there's a mama cat sitting there. I got a darn deer fly. There's a mama cat sitting there and I didn't pay any attention because I got to get the hay baled. I come back and I pull the baler back with the tractor and my mom is still sitting there, and all of a sudden I see her crawling inside the baler. So I run and I get the Cringe Kid, and I have her go investigate because I don't got time. And she investigates and says there's a kitten inside the baler. And I said, well, it's obviously smushed up dead. And she goes, no, it's not. It's still alive. And that's all I know. Goodbye.
Pumpkin's drinking the milk, but I want her baby too. So, come here, you little chunk. This thing loves them calling it chunk. I don't know if it's thirsty. What's your problem, Bebe? Bebe, don't. Gross. Ew, that's gross. Bebe. Guys, I don't think that it's gonna end up drinking. I know, it's weird that my door is purple. I totally agree. The mom's just drinking it, and the baby's just sitting there, so I don't know what to do. I think I'm just gonna leave it and just let Mother Nature take care of it, and yeah, I'll give you guys an update if anything else happens. yeah, I think this is just gonna be the end of the video. I might put some clips in from later on in the week if anything else happens. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, this was so unexpected. I'm like, why not film this? But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, share with your friends, stay cringy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!